Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a refreshing and quick palm fruit sharbat. It's so simple to make and the taste is really good. Let's get started. Palm fruits are easily available during summer season. So when you get a chance to buy something, do give it a try. For this, I've taken 5 fresh and tender palm fruits. While buying palm fruits, make sure that it's soft outside. Only then it will be tender and the taste is good. Palm fruits can be used as such, without removing the skin. But if you don't prefer to have the skin, you can always remove it. Today I'm going to remove the skin and prepare this sharbat. So for this, carefully peel off the skin. Make sure you don't damage the fruit, because if you break the fruit, the water inside will get wasted. The water inside is really tasty, so don't waste it. I've peeled the skin of all the palm fruits. Look how soft and jelly like it is. It has to be like this soft, only then it taste is great. So I made sure that I did not break it, so the water is still staying inside. So using a fork or a ladle, just mash it a bit. You should not use a mixer grinder to mash this fruit. Just mash it so that still there are a few more pieces left out. So I have mashed it to this consistency. So the water inside the fruit is also mixed along with it. So in a tumbler, I'm going to add the mashed palm fruit. To this, add 2 tablespoons of Nanari sharbath. It has a very unique flavor and taste is really good. This already has sugar in it, so I'm not going to add any extra sugar. On top of it, I'm going to add a juice of 1 small lemon. That's all. Just fill it up with enough water. Make sure you add chilled water. After adding water, mix it thoroughly so that the Nanari sharbat will get mixed up well. And that's all. You can add a few ice cubes if you prefer. It's all ready to serve now. So do give it a try at home and share your feedback. If you like this video and if you wish to watch more such interesting recipes, do subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.